everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Belinda. Beauties, today I'm going to be creating this Valentine's Day door decor. So if you want to see how I put this together, then please keep watching. But before that we get started, I'm just going to ask if you can please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also if you'll click that bell icon, right there in the corner, so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'll be showing you the items that I'll be using for this project. Now, the majority of the items are from Dollar Tree. The ones that are not, I'll go ahead and let you know which ones are not. Let's get started. I'll be using 3 of these glittered foam hearts, some assorted rose floral bouquets, a round floral foam, some red glitter, and I purchased this at Walmart and it was 89 cents. And also some iridescent glitter, and this was also purchased at Walmart. Some craft sticks, some Mod Podge, but you can also use some regular glue. Some assorted decorative ribbon. I ended up using the 2 bottom ones. A pipe cleaner. Of course, my glue gun. Okay, so I'm going to start by removing all the tags off the hearts, including also that ribbon that they came with, and I believe it's so that you can use it to hang it on a wall or somewhere. I can't think of the correct word, but you know what I'm talking about. I had a hard time removing them because they were really stuck on there, but anyhow, it's this ribbon right here that I'm trying to pull out. I ended up cutting it, and then once I cut it, I had to get some pliers to pull out the whole dang thing. Okay, so this one didn't give me problems at all. Okay, so after that I removed the ribbon and the glue, I stayed with a little opening, but it's okay because I'm going to be adding some glitter. And here I'm just pointing out to you how there is some glitter that's rubbed off. I couldn't really find any perfect ones at Dollar Tree. Most of them had the glitter rubbed off. So what I'm going to do is add some glitter, and just to cover that up. I'm going to start by adding some Mod Podge in just the front side of the heart and anywhere that I see that there is glitter missing. Then after that I apply the Mod Podge, I'll be adding the red glitter, and then after that I'll be adding a little bit of that iridescent glitter as well. And I'll be repeating the same steps to the other 2 hearts. And this is how the 3 hearts turned out. And now I'm gonna let the glitter dry, and then I'm gonna work on the floral. Okay, so I'm going to start by making a bow, and I'm going to make this bow about 10 inches wide, and I'm going to fold my ribbon about 6 times. Next, I'm going to gather it in the center, and then I'm going to wrap it with a small piece of pipe cleaner. Then I'll just fluff out my bow. And this is how my bow turned out. Okay, for this ribbon, I'm going to follow the same exact steps, except this one is only going to be 8 inches wide. Next, I tie down the black and white bow on top of the red one. Next, I'm going to remove one heart from that heart bouquet and I'm going to hot glue it onto the center of the bow. Next, I'm going to create some tails for my bow and I'm going to extend it about 10 inches and then I'm going to fold it once and then I'll go ahead and cut that end. Next, I'm going to be creating a V shape to the end of the ribbon and I'll be doing that by cutting the ribbon sideways as I'm doing right there. Next, I'll be twisting the center of the ribbon where both front side of the ribbon are facing forward. Next, I'll be hot gluing that ribbon right in the center of the foam. And then following with the bow on top. Next, I'll be hot gluing some of those white roses. And then for the red roses, I will be leaving a little bit of the stem and then I will be inserting it into the foam. I also did the same thing with some white roses and also the red hearts. And this is how the arrangement turned out. In the end, I decided to add some of these heart picks from Dollar Tree and I just placed them here and there around the arrangement. Okay, so next I'm going to add that arrangement to the top corner of the heart. So I'm going to flip both items at the same time, just like this. And then I'm going to join both items together by adding some hot glue on top of the heart there in the corner. And then for extra reinforcement, I am going to hot glue the craft sticks. Next, I'm going to cut 2 pieces of this black and white ribbon and they are about 8 inches long. And now I'm going to be adding the ribbons and I've turned over the hearts with the front side facing down, as you can see right there. And now I'm going to place the ribbon also the front side facing down. Next, I'll hot glue one end of the ribbon to one heart and then the other end I will hot glue it to the other heart. And as you can see, the top of one heart is going one way and the other one is going on the opposite direction. And I repeated the same steps with the third heart. Well, beauties, here you go. Here is a Valentine's Day wall or door decor. I really do love how this turned out. I hope that you did also. And I also hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a great day and remember, love, laugh, and create. Until next time, bye-bye and God bless and happy Valentine's Day.